Today we're about to remove this Prius radio. I need to remove it, change it because it doesn't have any buttons. That's the reason why I'm just changing it. Nothing wrong with it, it's just the buttons. So I got the used one from a junkyard over here with the buttons. Make sure when you get from a junkyard, you make sure they have the buttons, because this is my 5th one that I had to go get, and they had the buttons. But the ones they gave me before, buttons were missing, or they look worse. So we about to just change this because clearly that's not good. But normal wear and tear, it happens to these just pop off. They're really fragile. Taking this off is gonna, it's easy. I gotta just pop this off, the vents out, screws will whoop, and just pop this out, put a new one. That's it. Before you start, make sure there's no CD inside here. So eject it out and begin. All right, this car is dead, so let me jump it. All right, so I just ejected the CD out. I just took that out just to show you I took it out. But anyways, you could do this with the car on or off, up to you, but I'm gonna just shut it off. I got the jump back on there just in case. Now let's turn this off, take the key out because it's gonna start beeping, mad annoying. Now let's take out this vent right here first. All right, pop this out just like that. Now I gotta drop this thing over here. Pop that. I have to remove this right here. Take these screws out. 2, 3. This might be a long video. I'm gonna have to edit this thing. It's gonna be a long video. Alright, pop this off. Well, down. Pop this out. This might pop out, so don't worry about that. So this have to come out. Pop the top one like so, and just drop it after you pop this one out. This would be, sometimes you get this difficult right here, but it pops out. Now I remove the top. These pop out, make sure you just slide them back in. That's it. All right, it's a snap in. All right, just put it to the side. You don't have to really worry about that. Now let's remove this vent right here. Raise the flathead again to the bottom. Pop it off. Okay, do that. These are a little fragile, so be careful. Just pull on it, tug, and just pop it out. Okay. Now, don't pull, don't yank on it, because there's a connector right behind it for your park button. Take that off. Okay. And remove this. This one next. All right. Easy peasy. Now, this is gonna be in the way, so we gotta move this 10 mils, 10, both sides. Pop this out. Be careful, don't break that shit. Okay, let's put this to the side. All we need is this shit. So now let's get extension 10 to get back there. Take those 10s out, 1 and 2, and right here, Phillips and Phillips. So let's put the Phillips over here. So let's pop that shit out. Let's pop that out. There. So, and right here. Okay, so I'm taking this out. The 10. Okay, you have to remove this trim off first. And there's 2 more 10 mils right here. Okay. You don't have to use this extension, but it's already here. All right, once you do that, push this to the side, yank this off. All right, now let's connect this back there, take them off, and swap it to the old one, pretty much. All right, you don't need to see that because that's really, really common sense, because it's plug and play, pretty much. All right. I said plug and play. All we gotta do is slide it in now and put everything all back together, like so. I'm probably gonna speed fast this thing because this is pretty much, easy. As you see, I'm putting everything back. Okay, make sure it's all lined up and everything, no gaps. Now let's tighten everything up. All right, let's tighten. Don't forget to put this. Make sure this thing goes over here. Don't forget that. All right, put the Phillips screws on both sides. All right, let's put the vent on there. All right, put this back. We're almost done here. If you want to test the radio before you shut everything off, just press the button. Make sure it's on. All right, everything turns on. This works. I don't know what this CD is, but let me see. I'm not gonna play it because you know copyright. Oh, somebody forgot to take out the CD. Look, someone left the CD in there. Let's see. Oh, load the CD. All right, I'm not gonna play it because you know copyright. Everything works. Make sure you check yours. You should be good. All right, later. Don't forget your vent. I forgot this vent.